In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make it look upscale, but we're going to do it affordably. Here on my channel, I'm never going to tell you a bunch of crazy, silly, expensive things that you need to buy for your home. I'm always going to show you how to get the most out of your money. So if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and follow along on all the fun videos that we're going to have coming up, especially coming up into the holiday season. We have lots planned. We're going to head out my front door because this whole upscale thing is going to start from the moment we walk up to your front door. Okay, so we're out here on my front porch because this is where it all begins. My dog is whining. No. I want you to give yourself the company test. What that means is I want you to look at your home with the eyes of someone else, a company coming to your home. Because a lot of times when we look at our own home, we just we're just seeing it with the same eyes and we're not really looking at it. And so that's not helping us to grow and to really see how other people see things. So right off the bat, as people are coming up to your home, I want you to have a wreath or something pretty on your front door welcoming them. Obviously, this is not pretty. Let me put in some past examples of what I normally have out here. And then I want you to have a rug. Those are super inexpensive and super affordable. You can go to like Target, you can go to Walmart, all over the place. They don't cost that much money, but that sets the tone for the whole visit or for anyone coming to your home right off the bat. And that will help to like boost your home, give it a nice upscale look. All right, remember we have our company eyes on. Let's head into the house. Okay, as we head into the house, we're in here in the living room. This one's lame. I hope you guys know this one. I want you to have a clean home because nobody's house is gonna look upscale if it's dirty and cluttered. That one's kind of self-explanatory. Clean your house. Next up is smell. Believe it or not, you've got to do the company test for smell. Have you ever left your house and then came back and walked in and thought, my house smells weird? Smell is such an important part of helping your home to feel upscale. Nobody wants to come in your house and it smell like fish. Candles are a fantastic way to make your home feel and look upscale. They add an ambiance and warmth, they help cozy it up, but the main thing I'm going for here is smell. So whether you use candles, essential oils, wall plug-ins, maybe you do room sprays, when your company walks in the door, trust me, the first thing they're gonna do before they see anything is they're gonna smell what your home smells like. Nobody wants to walk in and your house smell like a giant mothball. Anything like that. They want to walk in and they want to be hit with just a pleasant smell. So keep that in mind when you really want your home to be upscale. Smell is so super important. Okay, so this next one is so easy, it's mind-blowing. It's just mind-blowing because of the difference that it can make, and a lot of people don't utilize this. Lovely sofa sitting here, no throw pillows on it. I wanted you to see what it looks like. I want to show you. I don't want to ever just sit here and tell you about things. I think seeing it really makes a big difference. Let's add throw pillows, and there's just such a difference. So let me step out of the way and you get your before. And then let's get an after. Instantly makes your home look more upscale that fast just by adding some throw pillows. Keep that in mind when you're decorating your own space. It works in your living room, it works in your chairs, it works on your bed, all those areas. Adding some nice throw pillows really can make all the difference. Something else that can kind of class it up is nice baskets, good quality baskets, and nice throw blankets. These are great for like, oh, Evie likes it. Oh, you're gonna come join the party? She's very upset because I put her blanket away and she wants it back, but I had it cleaned up for filming and she's like, give me back my blanket, I can't have my nap. Let's get back to the baskets. So good quality baskets with nice throw blankets can really make just a boring place look more upscale. If you're trying to think of ideas of like empty corners of like things to like decorate with, go with a basket, throw a blanket in it. Put a cute pillow on top here. Anything like that can really just like really kind of class it up. Evie agrees, don't ya? I'm gonna throw you in there and class it up. There it is. Oh, yeah. Okay, that didn't work. Let me show you something. See how cute that is if you just throw in a little pillow, you have a blanket, you got a nice basket. Really helps make things look nice, and it's an easy way to decorate. Okay, so as we move to the kitchen, some really inexpensive ways to make your home look upscale is to put some fruit out. Just put a nice bowl of fruit on the counter. That's an inexpensive way to decorate, but kind of like take it to the next level. Also, use a cake stand. Say you have company coming over and you want to buy, or you made a cake or you bought a cake, take it out, put it into the cake stand. I guarantee it'll definitely improve the look. I want you to pay attention to something. It's something that I myself am so bad about remembering, and that is the quality of your hand towels, your tea towels. We're gonna address this a little bit more once we hit the bathroom area, but for me, I always have one usually hanging here on my stove or over here on this, and sometimes we don't always have the best quality ones, or they're stained or they're yucky. These are really inexpensive and an easy upgrade, so pay attention to that and get yourself some nice hand towels. Oh, and just a quick little reminder that if you are gonna set your fresh fruit out, make sure, if you don't want to damage it, to make sure your tags are facing down so no one sees them, or remove these, because otherwise, I mean, that's not gonna look so classy. This next one is something that a lot of times we don't even really think about. I want you to go into your kitchen and take a look at your glasses, your stemware, whatever you guys like to call it. Nice stemware can make a huge difference on whether or not you look upscale or you're serving your items out of a red Solo cup. That is a no-no. So you have company over, what are you going to serve their drinks in? So for me, I have a lot of different options, but I gotta show you what I have going on in here. This is so typical of me. I drink a ton of tea, and look at these tea-stained glasses. Am I gonna give my company these? Does this look upscale? This is a no-no. So, try to always remember that. Try and have some nice, good quality, heavy glasses that you can give to your company, or if you're having fun little drinks and wine. TJ Maxx, I bought these adorable, the little copper mugs. I got a whole set of these at TJ Maxx for like hardly anything. It was such a good deal. And so that is a really inexpensive way to make your home look upscale and to serve your guests upscale without serving them in an ugly red Solo cup that is trashy, not classy. So try and keep that in mind. You guys, I am so bad. Let me show you this. Let me grab this. I am so anti red Solo cup that if I do have a big engagement where I can't use real glasses and I'm using plastic, I literally will do the clear ones. Like, I do not like red Solo cups, and I don't know why. Leave a comment down below and tell me, what do you guys think of red Solo cups? Okay, now we're in the bathroom, and this one might seem silly, but wait till you see the difference it makes. I want you, in order to make your home look upscale, I want you to get a quality hand soap dispenser. I found this one at Home Goods. This one was $9.99, and look at the difference it makes. So I picked this one because aesthetically it goes with my bathroom. Normally I just have these little hand-bought things. You could have that, or you could take it to the next level and make it look so much more classy and nice. I also did this in my upstairs bathroom. I'll show you that. But before we move up there, I want to address something that I am so guilty of, and I just changed this out. This is a brand new hand towel that I just put on here. It's nice, it's fluffy, the quality's great. Picked it up at Target. I had this one on there and I didn't realize, and I know you guys probably can't tell the difference through the camera, but I had this one on there now for a while, and obviously I wash it all the time. Fuzzy things were falling off and all kinds of things, and I would realize that when guests would come in here and wash their hands and they would go to dry with them, it just looked nappy, and it just was like, this is not upscale looking. So pay attention to your hand towels in your bathroom. They get used often, so make sure you're washing them often. There's nothing more tacky than walking in and this bottom part of your hand towel is all stained and dirty, where people are drying their hands all the time, and then the next person has to then dry their hands on there. This is kind of gross. I get the heebie-jeebies. So pay attention to your hand towels. Have a nice clean hand towel, and then a nice soap dispenser, and that'll really take it to the next level and make your bathroom look upscale. And here's the one. I had a normal, another one from Bath & Body Works up here. Take it. I bought this cute one that matches my bathroom floor, and I got this at Hobby Lobby. Yes, this one was 50% off, and I got that for $4.99. It looks so much more classy in here. I buy little soap dispensers just to refill them. That's a good money-saving tip, but that's just a great little tip. Another way to have your home look upscale is to use books. Books can make the world of difference. So right here, if you follow me over on Instagram, I showed this example over there, and I thought I would bring it into this video for all of you guys to see. But follow me along over there if you want some more like behind the scenes tips and tricks. Okay, books are a great way to really just like take your decor to a next level. I had a lot of people ask me, hey Leslie, why do you have your books backwards? This is a great design tip that I learned, that if you don't want people to see, like here, great example. I have this book down here that's The Taste of Country Cooking, and it's got a little fork on it. So that doesn't really go with the aesthetics of my living room. So what you can do is you can always place your books backwards so people only see this part, and then they have no idea what the book actually is. So look what it looks like when I take the books away. I mean, it looks okay, it looks lovely, it's just sitting there. But I feel like when you incorporate books into your decor, it really just kind of elevates it, literally, elevates it and just makes it look a little more classy. You can do this in all areas. I have some of this done in my kitchen, I have it done in my living room. So definitely incorporate books to help add that little upscale look. This final one is something we kind of take for granted. A really nice way to make your house look upscale is to add greenery. But if you really want to take it to the next level, I want you to incorporate real greenery. That is so much harder than it seems. For someone like me, I do not have a green thumb. I pretty much kill every plant I've ever had. I'm like so super proud of myself. So this little guy I've had for years and years, and these are supposed to be like one of the easiest plants. And he was completely almost dead. And over the summer, I've been letting him stay outdoors. Now let's watch throughout the winter and see if I can actually keep him alive. But all throughout my home, I have all kinds of greenery places, but I only have a few spots that have real greenery. And so that is my goal that I'm taking away from this video, is that I'm going to try and incorporate more real plants. And the main thing I really want, here, come into my living room. Let me show you what I want to do in here. Okay, right here, I have this lovely plant. I call her Krista. I name my plants. But anyway, I really like her, but she's fake and she looks very fake. So coming up at the beginning of the new year, I'm doing this really intense makeover in my living room in here. And I can't wait to show you guys all that, so stay tuned. But what I want to do is I really love to switch her out for something that's real, like maybe a real like olive tree or just something that I am going to attempt to keep alive, some kind of tall plant tree. So wish me luck. I think it'll make my living room look a lot more upscale, not so fake plantish, but if it had the option of nothing or fake, and those are my only two options, I'm definitely gonna go with fake because it does improve the look of your scenery, it helps with decor, it just really, this is fake too. I should probably get a real one there too. Anyway, add it to your list to help make your home look upscale. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you plan to incorporate into your home to help make it look more upscale. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.